Well, I'll tell you, let's get right to it because there's so much to talk about today. And here's the really, really good news, and that is it's not raining right now. I wanted to show you this view of the radar because there's an area of low pressure right here. This bad boy is moving off to the east. Now, we're on the back side of this, which means during the day we're going to see a pretty consistent area of cloud cover, especially in the afternoon. I am not ruling out a shower. In fact, I think it could happen with the moisture in the atmosphere with the cloud cover, but I don't think a lot. Well, here we go. Now, I'm taking you back just to Saturday morning at this time, not including the rain on Friday. And these rain amounts are incredible, really. In fact, just east of Indianapolis, around Greenfield, Cumberland over to Greenfield, 5.7 inches of rain. Downtown, we had nearly 4 inches of rain. But if you look along the I-69 corridor, this is amazing, with more than 5.5 inches of rain near Winchester. The Ball State campus, more than 5 inches of rain just north of there, and between Hartford City and Upland and eastern Grant and portions of Blackford County, more than 6.5 inches of rain. You know, we had thought, and you can see these rain amounts, Bloomington with more than 5 inches of rain. We thought it would rain heavy. It did. And now we're shutting the faucet off slowly but surely. But, boy, it's going to be cooler than average today, 57 degrees right now. And as we go through the next few days, it will be cloudy today, only highs in the 60s. In fact, I'm going to have to do some checking, but this might be the coolest track temperature ever for a Brickyard 400 because I doubt that the track temp will be much warmer than the air temperature. So that's going to be interesting for the NASCAR boys out there, both for Xfinity and for the regular race at 2 p.m. Gradual warming later on today, and as we walk through the day, look at this, in the 50s until 10 o'clock this morning, even at lunchtime with the possibility of a stray isolated shower, we're only going to be in the 60s. I think some of you may hit 69, some of you 70. I'm going to call 69 here in the city. And then down we go pretty quickly in the low 60s as early as 11 p.m. This is a look at our future track. Remember, here we are, Indianapolis. The gates open at 9. Xfinity race starts at 10. The Brickyard at 2. And notice, rain could stretch as far south as Anderson. We're on the backside of this. Could we see a sprinkle or a brief piece of drizzle move through the speedway? Yes, but I think really most of this does stay north. So I'm optimistic about today. 2 p.m., a lot of rain. 9 p.m. rain. Now let's take you into Tuesday, and this wind comes right off of Lake Michigan. So, yeah, tomorrow will be certainly warmer than today, but not a whole lot warmer. The average high is 80, only 69 today, 76 Tuesday. We don't get back to the 80s till Thursday of this week, and then a very warm weekend ahead with highs, Scott and Julia, back in the mid-80s.